What is going on, everyone? It is MotoMiracle, and in today's video we're going to install my Mustache engine guard on my 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. So let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's going on, y'all? If you are new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. If you look at the comments below, there'll be a pin section, and it'll explain like which time each thing will be done at. So if you want to skip ahead to a certain part, just go to the comments and those will be down there. So let's get this started. I bought the Mustache engine guard at Legacy Harley-Davidson in Odessa, which is West Texas. So if you're in the area, definitely stop by there. Go check out some bikes. Go check out the merchandise. It's a great place. Alright, so let's get this started. Alright, so the tools that you will need is they're going to get, basically it's going to be 3 screws. These are going to be 5/16 torx, and this is going to be a 3/8 hex. You're going to need a foot by pound, and you need a smaller one to just wrench it in. Also, you're going to need a flathead. Basically, it's to pop. I already popped them out. Very simple, because sometimes there's some screws over here, if you can see it. Not sure if you can. Sorry if you can't. But yeah, literally popping out a little and then screw it to the left counterclockwise, and these should pop out really simple. So you do need a foot by pound torque wrench, but you can actually, at least in Texas, if you go to AutoZone, you can actually rent these for free. Basically, you pay for it, and then when you return it, and you get your money back. The other thing that you're gonna have to do is get some Loctite to put on these screws. So simple. We'll do that in a minute. My brother's here, so he's gonna help me, and we'll get this done quicker. There are things like the screw and the nut can fit. It's right up here, so it's very tight. So he's gonna try to help me out with this so we can do this quicker. Alright, so my brother's going to hold the engine guard, and then we're gonna do some wrenching. You can probably sit on that. Yes. Wait, let me put this underneath it. Should I put one over this, or do you think you're gonna hold it?
No, I'm holding it.
Alright. Right. Let's put some Loctite on this first. There we go. Taking that shit. There we go. So put some Loctite in it. It says do this one first. Do you know what I'm saying? How like for the sport glide, it's a pain in the butt. So it says here. It says I'm gonna do mine first, and then I'll get yours. Yeah, it's working. See what I'm saying? It's because the bike, since it's at an angle, since it's at the bike's at an angle, it's pushing the engine guard to the right. You know. I can probably push it more that way. Ready? Push that. There you go. Look, go. There you go. Yeah. See, that was my problem yesterday. I was trying to do it and it just wasn't working. So we're just gonna wrench it. We're just gonna put it tight, snug, and then we're gonna get the foot by pound after to do it. That Texas heat though, Texas sun, man. The Softail new frames are a pain in the ass. Alright, so it says to do the left one first. So, torque wrench. My left. Oh, wait. It says start with the right. So, sorry, this is my side. My side. Now, see what I'm saying, though, with the soft tail frame, it's very tight, you know? I'm gonna need, for the extension, yeah. Man, it was so much easier on YouTube watching people do it. Alright. So I want to put this at 33. How many Sicilians does it take to install? Alright, now this one's going to be 30. So we're probably good. Alright, now we got to go to this one there. We want to do 30. Do you care if they're on camera, or do you want me to? Alright. Because I'm going to edit this definitely. Like all this talking right now, you know, some of it I'm going to edit.
They need to make me money.
This definitely, oh shoot, it fell again. Yeah guys, for the soft tail frame, at least for the Sport Glide, it is very tight. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Who knows? That's gotta be it, right? Alright, so we installed the Mustache engine guard for Harley-Davidson. If you have a Sport Glide, it's a pain in the ass. Hey, maybe I just did it wrong. Who knows? But hey, it's in, it's good. We'll do a first impression next. So, thanks to my brother, he got this done because I did it yesterday and I screwed up. So, it's not going anywhere. Alright. So if you want to see two Sicilians wrench some more, follow my channel. If you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, please press that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.